Welcome to Auto Max, the ultimate place for car lovers. Before we dive into today's review, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss any of our exciting car reviews. Today, we're taking a ride back in time to review a true American classic, the 1970 Chevy Nova. This isn't just a car, it's a piece of muscle car history that defined an era of raw power and simplicity. Let's start with the exterior. The 1970 Nova came with a bold and aggressive design, featuring sharp body lines and a wide stance that gave it a muscular presence on the road. The chrome accents on the grille and bumpers highlight that vintage vibe, while the long hood and short deck perfectly capture the spirit of late 60s and early 70s American muscle. This car came in a variety of colors, but no matter which one you pick, the Nova commands attention. It's compact compared to other muscle cars of its time, yet it still packs a punch in terms of style. The two-door coupe layout adds to its sporty appeal, and those classic rally wheels make the stance even more iconic. Now, step inside and you'll see that simplicity was the key in 1970. The interior wasn't about luxury, it was about function and driving excitement. Bench seats were standard, though you could upgrade to bucket seats for that sportier feel. The dashboard is straightforward with large, easy-to-read gauges, and a basic radio setup. Don't expect any fancy tech here, this was a driver's car, pure and simple. Everything inside the Nova is designed to keep your focus on the road and the thrill of driving. The cabin is roomy enough for 4 passengers, making it practical while still delivering that muscle car charm. Under the hood is where the real magic happens. The 1970 Chevy Nova offered a range of engine options, starting from an economical inline-6 for everyday driving to the monstrous 396 cubic inch V8 for those who craved speed and power. The top SS model with the 396 V8 could push out up to 375 horsepower, which was more than enough to light up the rear tires and make your heart race. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, this car was a beast on the streets and at the drag strip. The Nova was light compared to its big block rivals, giving it an edge in performance and making it a favorite among enthusiasts. As for performance, the Nova SS could do 0 to 60 in around 6 seconds, which was seriously quick for its time. The suspension was basic, but it got the job done, and the steering felt responsive enough for spirited driving. This car wasn't built for corner carving, it was built for straight-line speed and pure adrenaline, and it delivered that perfectly. Now, let's talk about price. Back in 1970, a brand new Chevy Nova SS would have cost you around $2,500 to $3,000, which sounds unbelievable today. Fast forward to now, and these cars have become collector's items. Depending on the condition and the engine option, you're looking at anywhere between $30,000 to over $70,000 for a well-preserved or fully restored model. The rarer the configuration, the higher the price.